Are you tired of unexpected car breakdowns? Is your battery's health a mystery? Introducing the LOERUMG Car Battery Tester, your ultimate tool for battery diagnostics. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel WeeklyTools. If you love diving into cool gadgets that make car maintenance easier and smarter, you're in the right place. Today we're taking a closer look at the LOERUMG Car Battery Tester, an essential tool for testing 12V and 24V batteries. Stay with me as we explore everything you need to know, from features to a live demonstration, and help you decide if this tester deserves a spot in your toolbox. Unboxing and first impressions. Let's start with unboxing. Inside the package, you'll find the LOERUMG Car Battery Tester itself. A user manual, well-written and straightforward, guiding you through the setup. Heavy-duty clamps that are durable and ensure a secure connection during testing. What strikes me first is how compact this device is. It's lightweight but feels solid in hand, making it perfect for both home use and professional environments. The design is sleek, with a large backlit LCD screen that's easy to read in any lighting condition. The LOERUMG tester is packed with features. Here's a quick overview. Compatibility. Works with both 12V and 24V batteries, covering cars, trucks, motorcycles, boats, and even some off-road vehicles. Multifunctional testing. It provides voltage readings, internal resistance measurements, cold cranking amps, CCA, and battery health diagnostics. Load test. This simulates real-world conditions to evaluate the battery's performance under stress. Safety. First, equipped with reverse polarity protection, it won't damage your battery or the tester if connected incorrectly. Durable design. Its rugged construction can handle the rigors of a busy workshop while staying lightweight and portable. Live demonstration. Testing a car battery. Now, let's see this bad boy in action. I'll demonstrate on a standard 12V car battery. First, we connect the clamps, red to positive, black to negative. The tester powers up instantly. No extra steps required. The screen gives us an immediate readout of the battery's voltage. Right now it's showing 12.6 volts, which is a healthy level for a fully charged battery. Next, let's perform a load test. This checks the battery's ability to handle electrical demand, simulating the conditions when starting your engine. The results? They show if your battery is in good shape, needs charging, or is nearing replacement. Switching to 24V testing. The LOERUMG tester is also perfect for 24V systems. This is a game changer for fleet owners, truck drivers, or anyone working with larger vehicles. With just a quick connection, it detects the voltage and adjusts its settings automatically, ensuring accurate readings every time. Advanced features and benefits. Here's why the LOERUMG stands out from the crowd. Real-time results. The display updates in real time, so you're always informed. Internal resistance measurement. This feature is critical for understanding your battery's overall health. A high resistance often means it's time for a replacement. Wide application. From personal vehicles to heavy-duty equipment, this tester has you covered. Energy efficiency. It consumes very little power, so it won't drain the battery during testing. Why choose the LOERUMG Car Battery Tester? Now, you might be wondering, why should I invest in this tool? Here's the answer. A reliable battery tester, like the LOERUMG, can save you time, money, and frustration. No more guessing if your battery is the problem. It provides accurate diagnostics in seconds, letting you take action right away. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to WeeklyTools for more garage tool tips and reviews. Thanks for watching. See you next time.